so I just want to come on and share. I am at this amazing restaurant, Belle and Lily's, and I just want to share my food real quick. So I'll go ahead and share that, and have a great weekend. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but here is the restaurant, Belle and Lily's Caribbean Brunch House. Have some orange juice and some sorrel. And I got pancakes, eggs, and chicken sausage. I started off with a photo and then turned to a video. We in the car, so I think we're currently at Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru and headed to Grandma's house. Got to get the baby some hash browns because she didn't eat at the restaurant we just came from. But yeah, just out and about. It's a rainy day, Zoe, can you say hi?
Can I get food?
Yes, I'd like to get an order of hash browns, please.
Look at the rain falling, you guys. It's relaxing. It's overcast.
Listen at home.
We're over here in the Shamley, Tucker area of Georgia. I have a hungry toddler.
91.9 WCLK.
So how y'all doing this weekend? I just want to come on here and talk to y'all. I'm in the car. We in transition. Y'all doing all right? Anything interesting happened this past week? Just work for me. Work, home life. Trying to actually get some good sleep, taking my vitamins, drinking my water, minding my business. Well, if you all didn't have a good week, I hope that it's going to get better for you all. If you did have a great week, congratulations on that. Hope you had many successes and victories and wins this week. And if your week didn't go as well, I hope that, again, it gets better for you. And I hope that this week coming up will be a better week for you. Yep. All right, guys. I'll be back later. You show the YouTube fam your flower that you got from Belle and Lily's. What color is your flower?
Pink.
It's pink? Oh, that's so cute, mama girl.
It's like spinach.
It's like spinach. Well, the stem is green, but it's a light green. Are you getting ready to take a nap? You gonna close eyes?
No.
You like an Eskimo in your coat? Yeah, we riding in the car still. Alright guys, I'm back on here and I'm kind of whispering. The flowers have been secured. We got Grandma a bouquet of flowers for Valentine's Day, and it has this cute little tri-heart thing going on here. So I just want to come on and show these flowers. We got them from Publix. And so yeah, flowers secured for Grandma and the baby sleep. We're here at Grandma's house and Zoe's knocked out sleep still with her dad. So sweet, so precious. So are you wearing your outfit of the day? What's your outfit of the day?
It's stars colors.
It's stars and colors. Can you do a twirl?
The road to college can be
Okay. Oh, you doing yoga, girl? You do yoga. Hi guys. So it's a chill Saturday. As you just saw a couple of clips. We're at Great Grandma's house, and yeah, just relaxing. I don't know what we're getting into for the rest of the day, but. Why is my child climbing up on me? Alrighty, so we've left Grandma's house and the whole fam was hungry, so we ended up stopping by Zaxby's. I am trying their sensational salad, and I got the like vinaigrette dressing to go with that. So about to enjoy this in the car, and then we'll see what's next. Hi everyone, so we're back at home. I didn't get a chance to show this, but we like boiled some eggs in preparation for tomorrow. I'm gonna fix some deviled eggs.
Mommy,
I'm in my daughter's room right now.
yummy.
What do you have?
I got chicken and some rice
Yeah, chicken and rice.
and
What else?
chick.
And G.
I got spoon for your special.
You got a spatula? It's time for bed, Mama. I'm really sheepa. Are you sleepy?
No, I'm not sleepy. It's time to play.
I think not. But anywho, yeah, we boiled some eggs. I had seasoned some chicken
Mommy,
breast yesterday.
so
Hold on, baby.
we
Let mommy
got some
talk.
bread soon. I gotta
She's still
eat
in the
it.
show.
So bread is good. Yum 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 yum. Oh no, I got tooth. Ow, mommy, help me! I got tooth.
Y'all, this is a true actress here. Anywho,
Mommy, we got the inside of the bread. This is the inside. So I gotta get some more fruit.
so anywho, guys, I'm getting ready to wrap up
who's
on.
that
Hold on, baby.
song?
I'm going to wrap up on this Saturday night. My husband boiled some chicken breast that I'm gonna make some special cream sauce for tomorrow.
Oh, Mommy,
so I'll come on
it's
and
a
show
cheese,
that.
so I
And then lastly,
this
wait a minute,
way.
baby. Shh, you guys. And anywho, lastly, we had some collard greens that were already seasoned and made over that were left over, so we pulled those out. We'll be having those tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to come on tomorrow and show my Sunday dinner. But anywho, I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys good night on this Saturday night, and I'll be back on to show what I do on Sunday. It's been a really chill day, but just wanted to share my weekend with you all. So can you say good night?
Good night.
Good night, everyone. Bye. So it was Sunday morning, and we decided to tune in to worship in the Word at church.
It's a two-way street, and I'm going to break it down. What Paul gives us is two different levels of submission. We find it in this entire discourse we just read through. Two different discourses of submission. And guess what? The heavier weight is always on the husbands.
So it was time for me to make up some herb and cream sauce that I will be using for a chicken recipe for dinner later on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show steps in sped up real time of me making that cream sauce. It actually turned out quite good. I will have the full video of this cream sauce recipe on my YouTube channel, and it should be coming shortly after this vlog has been uploaded, so stay tuned. are back home and we actually picked up 2 dozen little mini bundt cakes. They're from Von Rains Red Velvet. And my husband knows this lady personally. He's known her for a while and she is the epitome of excellence. So just wanted to share this. My husband ordered a dozen red velvet little bundt cakes. Let me zoom in on those. Cute little hearts. So nice. And he also ordered a dozen carrot cakes. So again, this is her business. She's based out of Georgia. So please support her. I will tag her social media on this video. So nice. So we're back home and we're having a early Sunday dinner. Some will call it lunch, but we just have some collard greens with turkey neck pieces in it, some rice with cream sauce, and some chicken with that cream sauce that I showed. So this is a combined effort of my husband and I, and that's how we do sometimes. We tag team to get the job done. Num, num, num. That's good job, Mama. You pull all the petals off the roses. You just been getting roses all weekend long. You got, yeah, you got rose on Friday. You got yellow rose from Mama. Yesterday, you got a pink rose from the lady at the restaurant. And today, you got 2 red roses left over from Miss Vonda Ray's cupcakes. Bundt cakes. That's a mess. That's it. Just the petals, baby. Not the stem. Not the seeds. Oh, shucks. You're just gonna pull it off? Yeah.
So.
Oh. It broke. What's that?
It's a leaf to help.
It's a leaf and a what else?
It's some
A stem.
stem to pull it out.
Yeah.
It just from here, so it's get it out.
Yeah.
So this peel's not gonna fit it out.
Oh, okay.
And so let's get all the. This is all the flower.
Yeah.
So it works really hard. So I'm gonna put it in here to the mixing bowl. So I did the place in the right here and everything. I think to save it real. Just so think the thumbs up.
Yeah.
I put in the flower and so stick.
All right. Thank you so much for your tutorial on how to disassemble and have fun with the center of a rose. Get. You guys, my husband does not prefer being on camera, but I be trying to sneak and put him in. Whoop, baby. So anywho, babe, show him the plate of fish that came from Big Fish and Chicken. Well, you guys probably can't see too much, but it's these super huge fish fillets that are on here. So hubby's just heating up one of those. Yeah, leftovers from Friday. Normally he does like fish and grits, but babe, you gonna do grits? Okay. Yeah, so I chose to skip dinner tonight. Sorry guys, I'm cleaning up something. I chose to skip dinner tonight because I've eaten horribly this weekend. I had wings and fries. I had pizza on Friday. Like I said, wings and fries on Saturday. And today I didn't really eat bad. Just had some chicken and rice, and I had some cake. So yeah, I'm skipping dinner for tonight. If I just am super starving, I'll get like some yogurt and granola or something. But I think it's gonna be like a water night. So yeah. Air fryer coming through. All right, guys. my phone battery died and I was off camera for quite a while. But we're home.
Mommy.
Zoe's been playing with Play-Doh. I've been sitting down with hubby watching the Super Bowl game, and we watched the halftime show. But it's time for me to get up and to get Zoe ready for bed, because tomorrow is Monday, the start of a new week. I hope you guys, whatever you all are doing, you're enjoying your Sunday. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Thank you so much for spending the weekend with me. I have a talkative little one. Yes, Zoe. Yes, Zoe.
Yes, Mommy. Got Bowie, so.
You gotta hold it up so the YouTube fam can see. You gotta hold it in the camera. Tell them, ooh, what is that? Planet Earth?
It's
Ooh.
a cookie seed.
It's a what, baby?
It's a yummy snack.
It looks like a planet Earth. It looks like it's blue and green, which means like water and earth.
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Mommy, this is a planet Earth and not green. So this is on the other side to help.
Yes.
Ooh, it's like this. No! It's like this.
Okay. Yes.
It's like this to be careful with my nail.
Yeah.
I got a place and play the plate. So this piece is skills off. So, no, this piece is too skillet.
Okay. Thank you, baby. All right, guys. So again, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for supporting. You all take care wherever you are. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. And please give me a comment down below if you would like to interact in the chat. Take care. Peace.